Late snowstorms cause chaos in South Africa's coastal regions. Unseasonably late snowstorms have hit South Africa's coastal regions, causing widespread disruption and danger. 2 fatalities occurred due to hypothermia from stranded vehicles on the vital N3 highway. Emergency services worked tirelessly, towing stuck vehicles and providing warm drinks to those affected. Schools in KwaZulu-Natal closed as authorities warned of potential flooding from melting snow. Parents are urged to keep children away from unguarded water bodies near the Tugela River. Stay informed and safe during extreme weather events. Subscribe now.